The 2023 Toyota Crown versus the 2023 Nissan Maxima. Let's learn a bit more about these stylish sedans. Toyota Crown's all-hybrid powertrain lineup delivers power and efficiency. Every grade includes all-wheel drive, maximizing Toyota Crown's traction in whatever scenario the driver happens to be in. The Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 system is standard on all models, highlighting Toyota's safety commitment. Now let's put Toyota Crown and Maxima side by side. Toyota Crown is available in 3 grades: XLE, Limited, and Platinum. Every variant includes a hybrid powertrain and all-wheel drive as standard equipment. Maxima is also available in 3 grades. However, an electrified powertrain, a hybrid for example, isn't available on any trim, neither is all-wheel drive. Toyota Crown's bold, stylish exterior stands out with its sophisticated lift-up design and standard LED lighting. And on the Platinum grade, the available bi-tone exterior color gives Toyota's new sedan an unmistakable look. Stylish 19-inch alloy wheels enhance Toyota Crown's appearance. The available 21-inch alloy wheels are the largest ever fitted to a Toyota sedan, bringing Toyota Crown's style game to another level. For extra convenience, front and rear parking assist with automatic braking is standard on Limited and Platinum. LED exterior lighting is also standard on Maxima. On SR and Platinum, LED fog lights are included. SR adds black exterior accents, a black V-motion grille, and black-colored quad-tipped exhaust finishers. The base SV grade comes standard with 18-inch alloy wheels, while SR and Platinum use 19-inch units. Toyota Crown doubles down on comfort with standard heated 8-way power-adjustable front seats, a smart key system, and dual-zone automatic climate control. Limited and Platinum grades add ventilated front seats, heated outboard rear seats, and a panoramic glass roof. Maxima also includes many comfort features. These include standard heated front seats, the Nissan Intelligent Key System, and dual-zone automatic climate control. SR and Platinum grades include climate-controlled front seats, the intelligent around-view monitor, and a dual-panel panoramic moonroof as standard equipment. Toyota Crown comes standard with a 12.3-inch touchscreen. Toyota's latest audio multimedia platform includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including music subscriptions, maps, messages, and podcasts. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music, Google Maps, and Google Assistant. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM Platinum Plan trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in-cabin, and even more on the SXM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. Additionally, Toyota Crown works seamlessly with Toyota's line of connected services. Every grade includes trials for Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Drive Connect, and Wi-Fi Connect. The Toyota Crown's focus on technology continues with a standard 12.3-inch multi-information display across the lineup and an available panoramic view monitor. For extra convenience, the digital key, which requires a remote connect trial or subscription, is standard on Platinum and available on Limited as part of the advanced tech package. Also standard is a vertical Qi-compatible wireless smartphone charging slot with a full charge indicator light. On Limited and Platinum trims, an 11-speaker JBL premium audio system allows drivers to get the most out of Toyota's latest audio multimedia platform. That's not all. Blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert is also standard across the Toyota Crown lineup. All Maxima grades come with only an 8-inch touchscreen that includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility and a 7-inch advanced drive assist display. A Bose premium audio system is standard on the SR and Platinum grades. Every Toyota Crown comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, a suite of active safety and driver assistance features. This bundles together pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. The Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 on Toyota Crown also features Proactive Driving Assist. Proactive Driving Assist uses the vehicle's camera and radar to provide gentle braking into curves or provide gentle braking and/or steering to help support driving tasks such as distance control between your vehicle and a preceding vehicle, pedestrian, or bicyclist. Maxima comes standard with Nissan's Safety Shield 360 system of driver assistance features. This suite contains similar features as Toyota Safety Sense, plus rear automatic braking. Toyota Crown's performance impresses with its two available hybrid powertrains. XLE and Limited feature the Toyota hybrid system with 236 net horsepower. The top-of-the-line Platinum grade is powered by Toyota's all-new Hybrid Max performance hybrid system. This performance-focused powertrain couples a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine to an electric motor and a conventional 6-speed automatic transmission, resulting in 340 net horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. Additionally, all Toyota Crown grades include all-wheel drive as standard for those desiring extra traction. XLE and Limited use Toyota's electronic on-demand all-wheel drive system. The front and rear-wheel driving force distribution in this layout ranges from 100 to 0 to 20 to 80, balancing fuel efficiency and performance. On the other hand, the Platinum grade features Toyota's all-new full-time electronic all-wheel drive system. In this configuration, performance is the focal point. Front and rear-wheel driving force distribution here ranges from 70 to 30 to 20 to 80. This greater emphasis on directing power to the rear at all times delivers a performance-oriented driving sensation. Plus, the Platinum grade also includes a standard adaptive variable suspension. This technology enhances Toyota Crown's sporting credentials by adding a Sport Plus drive mode, which remaps throttle response and tightens up the handling for greater driving exhilaration. Additionally, the Comfort Drive mode softens the suspension settings to take Toyota Crown's premium ride comfort up to an even plusher standard. Toyota Crown also delivers on efficiency. XLE and Limited grades have an EPA estimated 41 miles per gallon combined rating. Platinum, on the other hand, has an EPA estimated 30 miles per gallon combined rating. Maxima is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine with 300 horsepower. Maxima SR is further distinguished by its standard sport-tuned suspension, which includes retuned dampers, stiffer springs, and a larger front stabilizer bar. However, all-wheel drive is not available on any grade either. In terms of efficiency, Maxima can't match Toyota Crown, with an EPA estimated 24 miles per gallon combined rating. Every new Toyota Crown comes with Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles of scheduled maintenance, whichever comes first, as well as 2 years and unlimited mileage 24-hour roadside assistance. Furthermore, the battery is covered for 10 years or 150,000 miles, whichever comes first, making Toyota Crown a smart choice for long-term ownership. Maxima comes with an industry-standard warranty, plus 3 years or 36,000 miles of roadside assistance. Innovative and sophisticated, Toyota Crown reimagines the sedan through unprecedented style, performance, and technology, all crowned with Toyota's commitment to quality, durability, and reliability. Explore one today at toyota.com.